Hey, it's Matt from Miller's Auto Recycling here. Today we have a 2015 Toyota Corolla. It's been in a front right-hand collision. This vehicle comes with the 2.5 liter naturally aspirated engine. Condensers and rads are fine. Engine seems to be running good as well. This vehicle comes equipped with black suede and leather seats that are electronic seat adjustment. And this engine has 141,261 kilometers. If you'd like to inquire about parts on this vehicle, make sure to contact Miller's Auto Recycling for pricing and availability.